Okay, today we're going to start a series on DIY computer repair, do-it-yourself fixes you can do quick and easy for your own computer. In true Alan learns to budget fashion, I bought this computer years ago as an open box buy. Apparently in 2012. I haven't even opened this yet. It came with Kaspersky Lab. Also, is that good on the camera? I think so. And so I got Kaspersky for free. $209.99 for the computer, which I'm not really sure if it was $263 what that actually means. But anyway, the regular price would have been $329.99. So I got these discounts here. And I bought an additional hard drive and a micro SD card, it looks like, at the same time. And that was in 2012, so that's been quite a while. So I've had this computer 7 years almost. Because July will be 7 years. Not bad, huh? I think Kaspersky was regularly like $47. So I really paid over like maybe $160, $170 for it. And it's lasted all this long. But anyway, today we're going to change the memory. Which technically I did that a few years ago. I'm just going to go back over it today.
Okay, so the first thing that you'd want to do, you'd want to search for your computer specs and make sure that you can actually increase the memory. Okay, so here we see the maximum for this computer is 8 GB. It's DDR3 SDRAM, and the speed is 1333 megahertz. This isn't exactly right because mine has 4. Then the next thing you'd want to see is how much memory your computer actually has. Mine has 4 GB installed already. So we're going to double that to the maximum 8 GB. What you can do essentially is check more than one site . Okay, so mine's C655. To be more specific, Let's see what they say. And when you search for the upgrade memory, you want to use the full model number. Okay, this is saying it comes with 4 gigabytes, and like mine does, 320 gig hard drive, here again it says a maximum of 8 gigabytes. So, and what we're going to look for is we're going to look for DDR3 1333 megahertz memory and make sure that it's compatible with this computer. You'll want to make sure that it's compatible with your computer before buying it. It is kind of a cheap, disposable throwaway computer though, but I like it. It's not bad. Again, this is the memory I bought. You see it's got the DDR3 1333 megahertz. Eight gigabyte. See, this one's different. 1066. There's my review when I done it. What did I say mine was? 5505. So you would search for your memory. And basically this is just the same exact listing. Oh, here's a better one. Here's the same exact listing, same pictures and everything. It just gives you like a list of the different models that it will fit. So let's close this down and install the new memory. We're using 47% of that.
So we'll be opening up this little door here to access our memory. You have to unscrew this one little screw here. I don't think it comes completely out. You just loosen it and then pry this up. Are we in focus? So next you'd want to pop these out. And pop those out. You want to make sure that you're not staticky, because static will fry this stuff in a heartbeat. You want to take your new ones out of the anti-static wrappers. You'll just carefully slide these out. And open up the new one. See how we took these off? You want to keep this little line here in the same place. Start with the back one. Insert it slow and careful. And then carefully press it down until these little pins. You can take the first one out of the way to pop the second one up. If it's easier for you, that's fine. And then you open the second one. Carefully insert it and push it down into place, and that's all there is to it. Then you can replace these, put these back in the static in case they're needed. Keep them for later or something. Try to touch it as little as possible. Then you put the cover back on. It goes up in here. Here, and tighten the screw. Don't over tighten that, obviously. And that's all there is to it.
Okay, now we've got the memory installed. And with the same program in the background, we've only got 22% physical memory being used. You don't get that much of a performance boost with the memory unless you're using programs that's really memory hogging. Then you may notice a significant difference. Okay, and now we've got 8 gigabytes of memory. Pretty simple upgrade. Anyway, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. Keep in mind, I'm not a computer technician or anything. This is just my computer I was upgrading, so I'll try to answer any questions I can, but I can't answer every question. I don't know everything. But thank you so much for watching.